Ever wondered why homegrown vegetables taste so much better than the ones from the supermarket? Well, it's not just your imagination. Homegrown vegetables not only taste better, but they are also more nutritious and sustainable. So how about we dive into the process of setting up a home vegetable garden? First things first, choose the right location. Opt for a spot that gets at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight each day. Vegetables love the sun, and the more they get, the better they'll grow. Next, prepare the soil. The foundation of a thriving garden is rich, nutrient-dense soil. Start by removing any existing grass or weeds from the area. Then, add a layer of compost or well-rotted manure to help enrich the soil. If your soil is heavy clay or sandy, you might want to consider building raised beds. Now comes the fun part, choosing your vegetables. If you're a beginner, start with easy-to-grow vegetables like tomatoes, cucumbers, and lettuce. As you gain more experience, you can experiment with a wider variety of crops. Once you've chosen your vegetables, it's time to plant them. Follow the planting instructions on the seed packets or plant labels. Some vegetables like to be sown directly into the ground, while others prefer to be started indoors and then transplanted outside. After planting, take good care of your garden by watering regularly and weeding often. Depending on the type of vegetables you're growing, you might also need to add a layer of mulch to help retain moisture and prevent weeds. Finally, harvest your vegetables when they're ripe and ready. There's nothing like the taste of a freshly picked tomato or a crisp cucumber straight from the garden. To sum up, starting a home vegetable garden involves choosing the right location, preparing the soil, selecting your vegetables, planting them, and then taking good care of your garden. It might seem like a lot of work, but the rewards are well worth it. Not only will you have fresh, delicious vegetables at your fingertips, but you'll also have the satisfaction of knowing that you grew them yourself. So why not give it a try? You might just discover a new passion for gardening.